Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Nissan Pulsar, stock number 5946. This ran from the 12th 2012 to the 12th 2017. Has an MRA 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 1-speed CVT transmission. This is an MRA 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front guard, no dents. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right rear door, one small dent. Right front mirror. Right front door, small scratches. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.